Good day everyone, andito tayo ngayon sa Tagaytay City to film a property na mayroong swimming pool at operational right now. Nakatie up sa Airbnb. Okay, so what's the video up until the end? Makita mo yung ganda ng property and the location kasi dito nagfa-fag. Okay, so this one is a for sale. Nasa description below ang kanya pong details. Okay, let's start the house tour. Good day everyone, andito tayo sa Tagaytay area to film a property na may magandang potential at right now ito ay nakatie up sa Airbnb. So it has 5 bedrooms with a swimming pool, a music area, and it's fully furnished. Alright, ang ganda nito guys. Alright, so you have 3 vehicle carport and a gazebo. At the house tour. So dito sa side na to, you have the porch and a billiard area. Then right here, the main entrance. Okay, nice ceiling design. Of course, ang ganda ng mga fixtures. So it's a fully furnished. No, anything you see is this. So you have smart TV and lounge area. Then right here, area will all the way to the bedrooms. Which in a while, pupuntahan natin. But right now, try to appreciate the space, the fixtures, and interior. So right here, you have the first bedroom with the air conditioning unit. Of course, nice ceiling design and with lights. Picture, of course, it has aircon with a cabinet. Then dito sa side na to, you have the shower room. Of course, with the water heater. Location natin, malapit lang tayo dito sa Twin Lakes in Tagaytay area. Wow, look at that. Okay, then right here, your formal dining area. Okay, nice wall design, stucco finish. Then you have a lanai area, which is over here. Look at that. Then a kitchen area and a dining area. Okay, then plus you have the mezzanine area. Now, tingnan natin dito sa side na ito. So, all in all, it has 5 bedrooms and a 5 bathroom, swimming pool, and entertainment area. Wow, look at that. Nice. Right, so if you're planning to put up a Airbnb business, well, ito po, nakataya po ito sa Airbnb right now. Then, the lounge area. Of course, over here, the third bedroom. With a size bed plus a cabinet. Then nice ceiling design. And a shower room. Just here. Wow, nice. And a wash area. Of course, beautiful fixtures. Then a straight balcony. Overlooking dito sa swimming pool. Wow. Which pupunta natin later on. And then a gazebo area. Wow, nice. Now, we're done dito sa pinaka main house. Look. Right over here, the living area. Okay. Ito siya. Right. So off to this side, so right here, naku, malamig na yan. Ang lamig. So right here, the gazebo area. Overlooking dito sa swimming pool with a furniture and lights fixtures. Wow. Ang laki ng pool. Right. Next. Right here, you have additional kitchen and a dining area. Right. Again, it's a full furnished. Anything you see stays. Okay, gagamitin na lang siya, guys. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed our channel, I invite you all to hit that subscribe button. Click that bell button to get you notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. Dito yung mga kaldero. Ayan. Lutuan at iba pa. Then, dito sa side na to, meron kang isang bedroom again. No, tingnan natin. Shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga buyers out there. Still looking and hoping for the best property. Well, nandito lang po ang ating Armilla Realty na nagsishowcase ng magagandang properties and a project selling dito po sa lalawigan ng Cavite at Metro Manila. Right, so meron tayo sa Antal Grand Village, sa Avida, Ayala Land, Maple Grove, at sa lahat ng project na meron dito sa Cavite at NCR. Right. Wow, this is the fourth room. Now, tingnan natin the music room. So you have the balcony over here and a swimming pool which is right here plus additional gazebo and the videoke room. The karaoke area. Wow guys, ang ganda ng property. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. Wow. Look. Okay, the swimming pool side. Okay, tingnan muna natin yung area na yun kasi ang ganda doon. Wow. Okay, sometimes ang pinaka-weakness ng ating mga clients ay yung dami ng mga halaman na nakikita nila. So, aesthetically, no, napakaganda ng hatid niya, no? Lalo na sa ganda ng property. The landscape, kumbaga. And then, dito sa side na to, you have a party area. Ayan. Meron kang bench and concrete table. Of course, you have lights and a cover. Plus a barbecue pit. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda, diba? Alright. Now, tingnan natin the entertainment area naman. Pero ang ganda nito, no? Ang laki ng swimming pool. Wow, look at the pool. Sobrang laki. And meron ka pa ditong additional surface pa. Pwede maglagay ng chairs, tables, etc. At napakaganda ng relaxation, no? Mag-e-enjoy kayo. Now, tingnan natin naman ito pong video okay area or yung inyo pong music room. Wow, so the music room, ayan, nice ceiling design with air conditioning unit. Of course. So anything you see, no, lahat ng mga appliances, fixtures, upuan ay kasama na siya sa sale. So i-absorb nyo na lang at paggaganahin nyo na lang po ulit. Ito pong property for sale natin right now. Alright. Nice ba? Shout out po sa lahat po ng ating mga clients out there, no? Na patuloy na nanonood ng ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And dito sa side nito, meron kang bonfire and a shower room which is here. Of course, yung surface natin developed at fully tiled. The fully fence, then the bonfire place, and the last bedroom. Pero dito sa side na to, okay, may retaining wall, no? Bangi na po dito sa guys, no? And develop it. It's a dry creek, but ang location natin, it's sitting in almost 600 meters above sea level. So the last bedroom ay nandito. Always present, ito pong tamboryog. Ayan, yung figs. Ayan, then over here, okay, the last bedroom with a shower. Right, look at that. Ang ganda, no? Buksan natin ang ilaw. Ayan, may pailaw ka. So, all in all, it has 5 rooms with an entertainment, a swimming pool, and ganito. Tingnan natin. Wow, nice kayo. Kanindot silang balay. So, hindi lang siya bahay, but a bahay na mayroon siyang income right now. Property. Nice. Alright. So, we're not done. So, balik tayo sa swimming pool to give you the recap of this property for sale. And our exploration, thank you so much to the seller for giving us, again, the right to sell, to film their property dito sa Tagaytay area na malapit sa Twin Lakes. It has 5 bedrooms, you have a main house, you have a mezzanine area and a big size swimming pool, you have teppanyaki, gazebo area, 3 vehicle carport inside a simple subdivision. Malapit ito sa Twin Lakes. So if you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. So this one is selling in the market. Nasa description below. Once again, my name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Salamat. Gracias amigo, amiga all over the globe. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.